Hey guys, Glenn Murray. I am live. How are you? Hope you're doing well. Hope you're enjoying the COVID shut-in stuff. Let me just see if I can see me on my Facebook here, so I can watch for the. Uh-oh, is it going? Is it going? Am I live? Let's see. I can watch for comments if you guys want to comment. There I am. Coronavirus social distancing. Isn't it fun? Hopefully you guys are doing well. Um, I'm just jumping on. I'm looking at my timeline. Scroll down, guys. Like, did you see my potato chip festival today? I made potato chips in the microwave. It's so cool. So fun. Anyway, yeah. So what am I talking about today? So guys, I got a call. Was it yesterday, Friday? Yeah, yes, yesterday. Hey Bob, if you're seeing this, thanks for the call. Like it was great. So a lot of you guys have probably seen on my Work with Glenn Murray page, promoting a new program. It's not really new. It is new. It's a new launch. Anyways, so what it is, it's a suite of tools that we all use. It's a web page builder, a landing page builder, authority website where you can do your WordPress site, all that. So basically, it's a server. It's a HD video platform where you can host your videos. It's got a video conferencing room. It's got an amazing autoresponder that comes with 50,000 subscribers. Man, my Aweber, like I get charged the minute I go over 1,000, I get charged for it. So it's got all these things. Plus, it's got an affiliate program that pays 100% commissions. You're like, what? How can they afford that? It must be crap. No, what they do, they have a $25 reseller fee, which is nothing, right? It's really $25 is nothing to be a reseller of this because it has all the right things that you need to run a business online. Landing page builder, basically your funnels, right? Your autoresponder, your where you're hosting your videos, where you're doing your video conferencing from. Because if you've heard on the news, like my kids' schools aren't using Zoom because people are going on there and cracking into Zoom, which was kind of because you can do that 40 minutes free on Zoom, which is great, but you can only have so many people on, but you can do it Zoom. But people are jumping on. GoToWebinar is too friggin' expensive, and all your other webinar platforms, right? So you're going to need that video conferencing room, and it's a really nice video conferencing room because it's actually you can see all the people on there, and you can chat with them and all that kind of stuff. So it's very, very, very cool. The other thing about this platform that's very nice is that it's completely 100% global, so you can actually sell it anywhere in the world. You can be anywhere in the world. You can sell it anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter where you are. You can sell this platform. You can be a reseller no matter where you are, and you can sell it to anybody. So there's no basically it's 100% global, 100% global business, which is fantastic for a lot of people. Now, what sets this apart from other companies? Well, a few things. The owner is actually been in business for 25 years. Everything that he has launched, that I know of, has had huge success. The last launch he had, he made four millionaires in 4 months. So four people became millionaires in just 4 months on a launch that he did, and he's got all the stuff. Like it's not a new program that's going to crash and burn because it gets too big too fast. He's been doing this for years. He knows what he's doing. It's more than anything, it's a rebrand with a new compensation plan, and that's why I'm super excited about it. I think it's going to be incredibly successful. Right now, we're in early bird, so it's the early bird launch. So you're able to get into it, and start promoting it before we do a full on global launch. And what's cool is you can sell it to people, not just for people that want to make money online as an affiliate program. You can just sell it to people as a platform. Like I sell. Right now, I promote a server company called A2 Hosting. If you just want a WordPress hosting site, message me. I can get you a special discount if you use my link to go to A2. They actually just emailed me today saying, "Hey, Glenn, send us some more business." I'm like, "Okay, I'll send you some more business." So basically, that is basically people need servers, so this has a server in it. What else is there? It has. Let me see. Just checking out. I don't know if I need to have that playing to see the comments. I'll put a haha down there. Um, oh, that's gonna really hurrah. Hey, if you're jumping on, say hey, say hello. Um, that's really annoying. There's people out there, but I can't see it. Anyways, I gotta jump off. I can't myself in double time there. There we go. Let me just fix this. Let me go back to this so I can get that off the screen there. All right. So if you're looking for a business, want to be promoting, or maybe you've got a business and you're spending a lot of money, okay, here's the reality, guys. Let's just talk the numbers. If you got ClickFunnels, you're spending 97 or you're spending $300 a month on ClickFunnels, right? Your landing page builder. With ClickFunnels, you get 20 funnels. Yes, I've showed you some tricks on the basic package. If you want to create some landing pages within funnels, I showed you how to do that on my YouTube channel. If you haven't gone to my YouTube channel, go to my YouTube channel, check it out. So that's one fee, right? If you have Aweber, if you've got over 1,000 subscribers, you're spending anywhere from, depending on what deal you set up when you first signed up, you're spending $40 to $60 a month on that. If you've got Get Response, same thing. If you have a Zoom account, I think it is my wife has a Zoom account, so I think it's 50 or 25 or $50 a month for 100 people, right? And I think you get let me check the what comes with the video conferencing. Oh, where's the sales page? Oh no, that's not it. A bunch of windows open here, guys. Bear with me for a minute. No, I don't have that landing page open. Anyways, you can check it out. You can actually become a free member to check it all out and just look at everything you get. The HD hosting, I host my videos right now. I have them on YouTube, which I'll share into some certain things, but then they will get ads on them when my station was monetized. They show the videos after, which I don't like. So I use a company called Wistia and Vimeo. I have two other servers. I can't remember the cost on those subscription costs. Anyways, it's a few $100s a month, right? And I always talk about it's going to cost you a few $100s a month to do your business. Well, you can actually bring that down to $100 if you do the platinum level, or actually you can bring it down to $50. If you do the gold level, it's a smaller package. It still works for you, but you can do for $100 a month, you can do the platinum, which is going to give you everything you could possibly need. And when your team gets big enough, there's actually another level, elite. Now, what's cool about this is that you get paid 100% commission for sharing it, and this is why I love this idea of this and the program and the whole kit and caboodle that comes with it. You 100%, so 50% direct commission. You get 25% of anyone that you bring in, whatever they make, you make 25% of. And then there's also a binary, which is unheard of in affiliate marketing. There's actually a binary system that you get paid on monthly on that. They also pay weekly, which is cool. They pay anywhere in the world. They go through, depending on what country you're in, they pay an ear or direct deposit, or they send you a check. That's really cool. What else is there? They actually, and this is really cool, they have their own traffic co-op. So if you don't want to promote yourself, right? If you're like, I don't know, if you want to get started, you can actually buy into their traffic co-op because they're buying ads all the time for their company, and you will get those leads directly put into your account, which is a great way, which very, very, very few companies do that. So that's another way that you kind of can have a set it and forget it business. So let's say you have a coaching company or whatever, right? So, you set up your landing page, you set up your authority website, you make your videos for your clients, maybe your introduction videos, maybe you have some lesson videos that you host there, you share them, you have your video conferencing where you're going to have face-to-face meetings with your clients, maybe your clients have teams that you're going to bring in your team, you have all that. And by the way, you can just tell people, hey, if you're interested in the platform that I use, here it is. and you would just share your link that way. So there's no pressure. Or you could say, I'm going to build a bit of a residual income with this because I think it's a great platform. I'm going to buy some of that co-op traffic and just have leads come in and do it that way. Do you see what I mean? Like it's such a powerful tool. Okay, let's say you're a bed and breakfast, right? Or an Airbnb, same thing, right? You've got your landing page for your Airbnb. You've got your website for your Airbnb. You've got your videos about your different rooms, or maybe your one room, or your video around the location, right? You have a video conferencing that you could actually offer to your guests, saying, hey, if you come here, we have a business conferencing suite you can use, right? So you allow them to have access. So if you have business travelers, they would be able to do conferencing, or you'd be able to conference with guests or whatever you want, however you want to do it. Or you could do webinars talking about inviting people to come and stay at your bed and breakfast, right? Like go on and do like, hey, anyone that has questions about our Airbnb or whatever it is, or maybe you want to train people on how to have an Airbnb, right? You could then do webinars for people that are interested in doing their own Airbnb and charge a fee for them to attend. There's so many ways to use it, right? And then again, on your website, on your authority site, say, we use these tools. Click here to get your own, right? Or again, you could just go, you know what, we're going to build some residual income because other people need these products. We're going to basically do the co-op traffic. So guys, it's such a win-win-win situation. I love it. It's such an awesome business idea, program, whatever you want to call it. So I highly recommend you checking it out. I'm going to put the link below if you're on my YouTube, because I'm going to post this onto YouTube. If you're on my YouTube, the link will be below. If you're not on my YouTube, I will put a link to this video on YouTube, so then you could go see it on YouTube and you'll get the link there, because I don't like putting business links on Facebook anymore, because Facebook, you never know what they're going to do, and I don't want to get if a whole bunch of people put the link up on Facebook blocks the links anyway. So it's just I'm not a big fan of Facebook that way. I'm loving my COVID hair. I'm begging my wife to cut my hair. Should I keep it going? It's kind of crazy. I think I need to diet and cut it. I'll feel better. Anyways, that's what I have for you guys tonight. Hopefully that's a little bit of an introduction to what we're talking about. I know this is going to be a weird one on my YouTube channel. People are like, what are you rambling on about, Glenn? What? Just some rambling? Yeah, it is. Some news on our team. Our team is doing very, very well with this launch. Since it happened 3 days ago, it started. We're rocking it. Looks like we're going to be jumping up some levels. I think I'm going to be leveling up in the next day or two. So I'll go up a level, possibly 2, depending on how it goes. And yeah, so it's a very fun, cool thing that's happening. And you should be involved in it and get into the early bird and have some fun. That's what I have for you guys. Someone's crying, laughing, crying. Oh my word. All right, guys, I'm going to take off. Again, check out the link. So I'm going to put the link I'm going to post this on YouTube, and then I'll put the YouTube link, and then any description links that you need to get to will be there. All right, guys, take care and stay safe. You guys are doing a great job. We're for the most part, the world is doing an amazing job. We are kicking this thing. Well, I mean, it's taking its toll on us. And if you've lost anyone, my condolences, definitely. Luckily, we have not lost anyone close to us to this pandemic, and we're keeping our distance, guys. We're just hunkering down and keeping it real. And the good thing is, my wife and I both work from home. We have home-based businesses, so we are so blessed and lucky to be able to do this from home, right? So we're just lucky that way. Oh, and go check out my potato chip video, which is a couple videos below this. All right, take care, guys. Bye.